Many non-native speakers confuse what is the difference between saya and aku. Saya and aku in Indonesian means I. So if you want to say I'm Maria, you can say saya Maria or aku Maria. Indonesian people normally use saya for formal situation and to give respect to someone, such as when we talk to the elders, talk to the teacher, for job interview, asking direction to a stranger, ordering food, and any other formal situations. How Indonesians use aku? Normally, Indonesians use aku for informal situation. For example, when we want to talk to our friends, coworkers, and also siblings. Well, now you know how to use aku and saya and the difference between aku and saya. If you want to learn more about Indonesian, please subscribe to my channel and sampai jumpa!